Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's just continue immediately because I was still explaining to you. Huh? I was still explaining to you. You know, those are forex traders and the crypto mentors just make things complicated for you. Things are very easy. We have a robot here. I'm going to teach you how to use this robot. We use a robot such that we don't make any loss. Just get your capital, your small capital, and compound it. You become a millionaire, billionaire, and just being patient. You need one tool here to win is patience. Because in crypto market and the forex market too, there is a game of manipulation. This trading is based on manipulation. The market is always manipulated, so you have to be patient and keep your basics and be wait enough for confirmations before entering any market. Don't just come and yarn. Don't yarn. The market is there to stay. It's going nowhere. Okay, so don't say, hey, the market is now leaving me, let me now just enter. You enter anyhow, you will take long in the market. You will go in floating loss. You take long in the market. Here we don't lose money, but you can take long. Your money can take long in the market. There, when the robot is not selling for you because you entered anyhow. That's why I'm giving you this first knowledge before introducing the robot to you. But I'm soon introducing the robot to you because now you're good to go. Okay? Just learn these lessons. You're good to go. You're already good to go. Just repeat the videos. Okay? Now I'm showing you what we call the trend line. The trend line support and resistance. This is the new support and resistance matter. Okay, so you come and draw your line from this low, like when the market just first identify which trend are we, which trend are we in an uptrend? Now when I see here, I just see this is an uptrend. We went here, we came down here, we went up, we broke that line, we break the structure, we went down, we broke the structure, we broke the structure again. That just indicates that we are on an uptrend. Hope you're all getting me. That's an uptrend. So what do? You just come and connect these lows. You just come and connect this low to the higher low. You connect it to the higher low again. You see, you connect to the higher low. Now after connecting them, you put that line long enough. You make that line long enough and wait. When the market comes, it will come here. After going here, it will come and retrace on that same very line. It comes, retrace on our very line. It goes up. So here, it did not retrace. It came and broke through that line. When it breaks through that line, don't yarn. Don't yarn. Whatever goes up has to come down. Okay? You just wait it to come back to our line still. Are you getting me? When it comes, you can even come just close and wait for confirmation. If you see any confirmation candles, the candles are already told you. I'm going to show you where they apply and how do you use them to enter the market. I already told you the candle patterns and even the names of those candles. Okay, I'm going now to show you how you can use those candles to enter the market and make money. I was not teaching you just for formality. So those who did not watch it again and understand, such that in the coming lessons you'll be easy. You'll face it easy to understand what I'm teaching. The market will just come here and retest. After retesting from here, it will go down. Okay, the market will now go down from here. It will not just waste time, it will go down. So now your take profit will be here. Okay, on this swing low, your take profit will be there. That's enough money for you. What else do you want? That market is still coming down to that level. It has to reach that level by force. Are you getting me? It's by force. It has to come there. Whether it likes or not, it has to reach there. That's the market algorithm. It's not just that you just enter anyhow. No, we have algorithm that the market has to move on. So you can even see on this one, it was a downtrend. It was going down, going down, going down. Now, after going down, it broken up that line. It broken our line. And after breaking our line, just expect it to go anywhere and come back for a retest on that very line. It has to retest on our line and then it goes up. Simple. Very simple. Just be patient. When it breaks your line, it will just come back and deliver. So now you can join even these two. You can join, like now it was from here, it came here. You can join it with this one and see how did the market behave. Simple logic. Very, very simple logic. You see, it went up. So you always find these charts, you find the videos, you see those mentors making these lines. You say, hey, how can I learn this now? What is this now? This is mathematics. It is geometry. It is what? No, this is not bearing. It's not mathematics bearing. It is very simple, something very, very simple. It is very, very simple. Just draw your trend line. Keep waiting. Once your trend line is broken, now you see it broken our trend line here. It broke it here. And the market went down. Then the market has to come back and retest. So the moment it retests here, it has to go down. So for you, what do? You just come here and be patient. Just be patient here. You wait a little, you wait a little. Now like here for me, I could enter from here. I was to enter from this candle, this chart candle here, because it formed the bearish engulfing pattern. Are you seeing it? It showed you the bearish engulfing pattern. It's this one. It is here. Simple. Simple. Don't waste your energy. Let me zoom it for you. Let me zoom it for you. Are you seeing what I told you already? It is there. It is there. The bearish engulfing. It's the bearish engulfing candle. It's the bearish engulfing pattern. Here. Simple. Very simple. Bearish engulfing candle. You enter. After that candle forming, you will just enter from this candle. You just enter from this next candle and go down. Simple. Simple logic. Don't complicate things. Don't complicate things. You could just enter from that candle and you go down. You collect money. You collect money. You you guys. Something very simple. You just come and collect money and go home. Take care of your kids. Now for me, you would move out from that line. That's enough profits for you. What else do you want? Enough profits. These are enough profits. Let me get for you here at the price range and see. Let me get for your price range here and count for you how much would you make from that market. Something very simple. Something very, 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 very simple. Don't overthink. Don't overthink. We bought from this candle, this next candle, and we went down. and we want to exit. We just wanted to exit from here. We don't need to go further. How many pips are those now? Anyone to count? How many pips are those? Those are 35.3 pips. If now you're using our robot, that is a 1%. Already achieved 1%, clear 1%. You don't need even to worry with the market. That is a 1%, a clear one. Clear 1%. And in our robot, that is a 10%. 10% means 10 times your capital. Let me calculate it for you here and you see money. You know the problem with you people, you don't see money. You keep on saying, that one does not work. Assuming now you have $100, just 100. Now 100 times that 10%, that 10 divided by 100. Do you know mathematics? You cancel this one, goes with these ones. Then you get 1 times 10. Your answer will be $10. $10. And now $10 with just your 100 capital. $100. Now that is one trade. Trade those. Now make like 3 trades. $30 out of $100. Is that not good money? You make $30 times 3, 600. How much is that money? That's enough money for a day. Compared to your capital. Compared to your capital, you have $100. You have $100. This is roughly 360k. Mitwalo 360k. And you make $30 out of 360k. What else do you want? You make 90. It's now 100k. 100,000 Ugandan shillings. If it's Ugandan shillings, it's 100,000. Those are $30. Just 3 trades. Even one can give you, because if you continue watching this coin, if you were on the trade, assume you were on the trade, you told the robot to enter the market, but still you kept an eye on the market. You showed that, hey, this movement is very good. It is moving well. So it broken here. It came. Sorry. It broken here. Let me draw it for you. It came from here. It came. It came down. It came down there. Let me first delete this. They are disturbing me. It came from here, from our coin here, our candle here. It came down. It retraced back near our line. It went down. That is money. It went down up to here. Up to here. That's money. If you had kept your close eye onto this market, you could just collect good money in one trade. Let me get for you the calculator and calculate it for you. Simple. You will just get your money from here, your money from there. You go down to this level. To this level now. Sorry, it is disturbing. From to this level. How much is that? That is a 4%. That is 40% your capital. 40% times your capital. You have $1,000. Those are $400 already made into your pocket. $400. Where have you sweat? Have you sweat with the market? Have you fight anyone? Have you done hard work here? Are you seeing any hard work? You guys just don't like money or what? Hmm? You just don't like money or what? So just keep watching the videos. I'm going to teach you more. I'm coming to the next lesson, so keep watching the videos. Okay, we have started now serious business. We have started serious business. Just keep watching the videos. I'm dropping more videos soon.